3 months ago, I tested my external SSD drive by connecting it directly to my iPad. Surprisingly, all my files were still there. I could open my photos, videos, documents, and everything worked perfectly from the iPad. So at that moment, I thought my data was completely safe. But then, when I connected the same SSD drive to my laptop to test it again, something strange happened. The drive was detected, but my files were gone. The folders were missing, the data disappeared, and it looked like the SSD had been formatted or corrupted. At first, I thought I had lost everything, but before giving up, I tried using data recovery software to scan the SSD, and the result was surprising. The deleted and missing files were still found, even after the drive looked empty. So in this video, I will show you the best data recovery apps in 2026 that can help you restore deleted files, recover formatted drives, and bring back missing data from SSDs, hard drives, USB drives, and memory cards. For this recovery test, I decided to use EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, and honestly, this tool really surprised me. Before using EaseUS, I already tried a lot of data recovery tools. Some of them could detect the SSD, some of them could scan the drive, but the result was not really good. But when I tried EaseUS, the result was different. EaseUS was able to scan my SSD deeply and find the files that I thought were already gone. Now, let's try EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. It works on both Windows and Mac. After the download is complete, open the installer and install EaseUS like a normal application. Now, connect your SSD drive to your computer. After connecting the SSD, wait a few seconds until your computer detects it. On the main screen, EaseUS will show you different recovery options. You can recover files from a hard drive, external SSD, USB drive, SD card, iCloud, or even an unbootable Mac. Make sure you choose the correct drive, especially if you have multiple drives connected to your computer. Once you select the SSD, click Scan. Now EaseUS will start checking the drive for deleted files, lost folders, formatted data, and other recoverable files that no longer appear normally on your computer. At this stage, just let the scan run and do not unplug the SSD. While EaseUS is scanning your SSD, you will start seeing a lot of folders and files appear on the screen. Once you find the data you want to restore, you can check the file first before recovering it. This is one of the most useful features in EaseUS because you don't have to recover everything blindly. For example, if the file is a photo, you can preview the image and make sure it is the correct picture. If the file is a video, you can preview it to check whether the video is still playable. If the file is music or audio, you can also preview it before restoring. This helps you confirm that the file is not damaged and that it is really the file you want to recover. So before clicking recover, I recommend checking the preview first, especially if you have many files with similar names. So now I have found the files that I want to recover. Because this SSD has a lot of data inside, the full scan can take a long time. And in my case, I don't really need to wait until the scan is completely finished because the files I need are already showing in the result. So after previewing the files and confirming that they are the correct data, I can stop the scan and recover them right away. This is very useful, especially if you are scanning a large SSD, hard drive, or external storage with hundreds of gigabytes of data. Instead of waiting for the full scan to finish, you can simply check the files that have already been found, preview them, and if everything looks good, select the files or folders you want to restore. After that, click Recover. Now, EaseUS will ask you to select the target location where you want to save the recovered files. And this is very important. Do not save the recovered files back to the same SSD, but it can be overwritten by new data. Always choose a different location. You can save the recovered files to your computer's internal drive, another external hard drive, another SSD, or a separate USB flash drive. Once you choose a safe location, click Confirm and let EaseUS restore the files. After the recovery process is complete, open the destination folder and check your files. And as you can see, the files that disappeared from my SSD are now restored and accessible again. Now I'm going to test the recovered files one by one to make sure everything is working properly. First, I will open the videos. As you can see, the video files can play normally. The video is not damaged, the audio is working, and there is no broken frame or corrupted file issue. The quality also still looks good, so the recovered video is accessible again without losing quality. Next, I will check the photos. The photos can be opened normally, the image is not broken, and the quality still looks the same. So in my case, the recovered files are working properly, the files are not damaged, the quality is not lost, and I can open them normally from my computer. At first, I thought my files were completely gone because the SSD looked empty when I connected it to my laptop. But after scanning the drive with EaseUS, the files were still found. If you want to try EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, you can download it from the link in the description. I hope this video helps you recover your important files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.